Dear friends, today I am going to show you how to separate multi-shooted orchid plant and propagate in a nylon or plastic cone mesh planter using barbecue coal or charcoal pieces and coconut husk or cocoapeat. Please watch my step-by-step video of propagation of ground orchid in my own garden. For potting mix, we need coal pieces, coconut husk or cocoapeat, and as planter, I used nylon mesh cone orchid planters. And see my orchid plant having more shoots which I bought from a nursery for 300 rupees. Break the coal into smaller pieces, minimum of 1 inch in size, so that we can avoid excess gaps between the pieces so that it would drain all the water. Gently remove the orchid mother plant from the pot and avoid any breakage of the shoot and roots. Find out the area where we can cut the mother plant to make the baby plants. Start cutting the roots with a sharp knife with the attached roots. It's better to keep the plant on the ground while cutting the shoots. Compared to other plants, orchids are more expensive, so more care should be taken, otherwise the plant would be destroyed. See, I got 4 orchid plant babies from a single plant I purchased yesterday. Now take the nylon mesh cone planter and put the coconut husk or cocoapeat at the base of the planter. Arrange coal pieces above the cocoapeat and repeat the same. Now we can plant a baby orchid shoot in the planter and cover the roots with coal and cocoapeat. Now I can hang it on the wall where I have already fixed some steel nails. Water should be applied 2 times daily by sprinkling or spraying on the planter. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to find me again with my new videos.